Friends, welcome back. We are coming with a new project, that is surveillance car. We're going to make a surveillance car. To make this, we required ESP32 Cam. We required a USB to load this program and one motor driver. Any motor driver you can take. I'm using L98N. L298N. I'm using this motor driver. We require two wheels, and two motors, one caster wheel, and 9-volt battery with the caps. Now we assemble this. Now we program the ESP32. Let's go to our computer, and then we assemble all these things and we'll check it out. Go ahead. Now we upload the code. We plug in this thing. I upload the code. Go to sketch, go to tool, 32 overs, and this all are same, and this should be a use app comport 6, and give a, and this is will be define this camera. We are using a thicker, and now hit the upload button. Oh no. अच्छा ठीक है. Now uploading the code. Now it's uploaded. Now we go to serial monitor and press this. We have this one, and press the reset button of this. You'll get a IP. Reset button of ESP Cam. See, we're getting the IP, and we copy the IP. I will get the IP. We'll copy it. Rest we'll do it later on. Stick this motor over here, and this is the caster wheel. We make a car like this. Now we use this to stick this. Okay. So my car is ready. Next step, there's two motors here and one caster wheel. This is small one. Now I'll do the connection. The motor's wires goes to here, and this two goes here. I'll share you the circuit diagram. If you want, just comment me out. Yeah. Driver motors fixed up. And now I'll do this connection of this camera over here. Fix this camera over here and make it tight. Ready. This is all done. Now we'll test the car. We open the Google and type that 19 to the IP which we have taken from there, from serial monitor, this, and see my camera is on. Now we'll see, it's watching me. If you want to light off, you can off the light, on the light. See, it's my love. It's okay. Forward, backward, and right, left. So you can check anywhere. If you leave the camera and see the surveillance is on. It's showing left. In this way, our camera is moved back.